Good morning to all. I am Dr. B. Sunanda, ENT surgeon, Bilrath Hospital, Chennai. I have a cold. Cold can be so many types. It can be acute or it can be chronic. Acute means less than 3 weeks. Chronic more than 3 months. So based on the history, we change the treatment. You come with an acute infection of the head. You will have a running nose, you will have a sneezing, you have a cough. Need not panic on it. It might be an acute exposure to some allergen. So immediately you find out I used a new chemical, I went for a hair coloring. Yes, that could be a reason for this. So next time you can avoid that chemical and immediately you will not make it chronic. Suppose you are getting it often, you are not aware that you got it only because of this chemical, then that situation you will be difficult for you to identify. That time we have a test called as absolute eosinophil count or immunoglobulin E. This test helps to identify that you are developing this allergy to this particular item and we can avoid it. What is this absolute eosinophil count? When for example you take a brinjal, you developed allergy to it. You are not aware that you got this allergy only because of brinjal. So you will develop an increase in the eosinophil count. This is indicated by the test called absolute eosinophil count. Next time you eat brinjal without knowing that you are having some allergic reaction to it, that time your immunity will be acting by increasing your immunoglobulin E. This is indicated by increase in IgE. So this test, if it is increased, we give medicines for reducing the histamine to reduce the eosinophils and reducing your mast cells and thereby reducing your IgE as well as AEC. So thereby your allergy will get controlled. So who needs treatment long time, who treat treatment only for a few days? This is also indicated by this test. If you develop an allergic reaction only today to some issue, need not have any treatment at all, it's already controlled. If you develop it every time not knowing that you developed only for that particular item, we do specific IgE test for that particular item to identify whether you develop the reaction only to that particular item and you can avoid it. Still you want to take that item, there are also treatment for it.